back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, August 27th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra. And you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. Listen up. We got some important news.
First, today is the middle and high school open house. Make sure you and your parents come by.
And we have the Cisco Junior cast list.
Let's check it out, shall we?
Hey, Pythons. See you at open house at 5 p.m. Go Pythons!
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!